Okay. We'll do... Just get things to back up once again. Alright, how's it looking, stream? Better? A few more edits, and alright. Oh, that's a little large. Cool. So we're back in bracket. Singles round 2. BJ versus Lance. Oh, the Waft does have a lack of lasting hitbox as Wario's body rises, in addition to the point of flatulence. Alright, Lance rolling early. I don't know how much familiarity he has with tethers. I think his tag is actually Gran Papa. He's in the bracket as Lance, but if you know him by that tag, that's Gran Papa. Ooh, big up air. Great DI from BJ. Okay, still in the air. Taking a lot of time to get down. Yeah, that's too low. By the way, an update on the results of the last match. Pluto did in fact win. It was actually 2-0. Talked to Zar a little bit afterward. He's actually not feeling great. Like, he's been a little sick. Oh, okay, that was dangerous. He's been sick for like a few days, and I thought he was better by today, but I guess I don't know. It's hard to judge. Ooh, the Waft. Lance takes the first game. Pluto's directly opposite me, like, dancing, so... The rest of the stream can't see that.
Three, two, one, go!
Alright, so going to PS2, just to kind of pick... Yeah, Samus liked the missiles, I guess. BJ's sticking with the feminine bounty hunter. He also has a falcon. Hey, what's up, Morris? Sorry, my laptop is crappy. So this stage, yeah, I'm gonna let BJ do a lot of his missile shenanigans. Also let's Gran Papa, aka Lance, do a lot of side B stuff. The platforms are at a good distance, like side B off of, side B onto, all that stuff. Oh, one of the smashes. Lance just seems better at like getting. He's not like committing quite as hard for his hits, I think. Yeah, like that full hop backer, kind of a big commitment, especially when Samus spends a lot of time in the air when she jumps. Okay, down throw, nothing comes of it. Maybe Wario hard to combo off of that throw. Ooh, yep, be careful. Probably shouldn't have gone for a second missile when he... Speaking of missiles, Wario shoots up like a rocket, taking Samus off the top. Nice 21 in the bracket. 21-0. Legend over Demon. No, it was a 2-1 for Legend over Demon. 20. Yeah, it was hard fought. D-Man with the salty runbacks. Yeah, Reach is crazy. Reach is awesome. Yeah. Yeah, we should get those matches on stream. This is the Arcadian. It's like for you guys. Is it best of 5, by the way? for semis? Okay. Sweet. Alright, so back into the swing of things. Yeah, a little bracket update, if you're curious. Winners semis and on is best of 5. Plum Orchid versus Legend. Looks like it's going to be the far side of winners semis. Oh, huge waft. This remain leads his lead so far. But BJ is not giving up. He's being pretty patient. Ooh, that missile eats the get-up attack just the right time. Okay, these missiles really... Oh, wow, and like knockers before him, lands into the saves the double taunt from Black Judas. Alright, and his tag... I don't know, his tag is Black Judas, but... Oh well. Have I tried lowering the bitrate? Yes, I have. It's currently at like 1800, which is actually like below what Hitbox recommends for streaming. I could lower it further. We'll see. If the thing freezes again, maybe we'll try that. Because I mean, this is decent video quality. You know, it's not 60 frames per second, you know, HD or anything like that, but it's good. Oh, okay. Interesting DI on the back end. BJ retreats all the way across the stage. Just throws an army of projectiles at him. Interesting that Lance isn't really jumping over it a whole lot, choosing to like challenge it head on or with like shield. We'll continue to shoot these missiles. Oh, okay. And that shouldn't combo. Yeah. Oh, but the waft takes care of it anyway. Covering options. Lance, knowing that Samus has already combo, using it sort of as like a big meaty vertical kill box instead of really a combo like that. I like that. Oh, missile. Power shield. BJ continues to shoot. Got infinite missiles, might as well use them all. Oh, and that one catches him, yep. Lance is going to have to find an answer to this if he wants to be a little more consistent. Ooh, combos? No, up throw, not going to do it. Wonder if he's going to be able to adapt his throw. Oh, what a down tilt. Okay. Missiles just keep coming. He's getting a little charge on that charge shot. Oh, wow. DI on the down smash, not the greatest. Ooh, okay. Samus in the air. Decent amount of percent. Oh, the waft is burned. And I think he meant to up air that, but I'm not sure he had a jump. Ooh, clutch air dodge. Really tense. Oh, side B going all the way across there. Now, yep, he's gonna tether. Oh, but, oh, okay. That'll do it. And PJ zooms in on the defeated Samus. That's 2-0 for Lance.